Hello, my dear crafter. Today I'm going to show you 4 club kits from Spellbinders monthly membership kits. As you know, they have tons of options for you. They have foiling kits, die sets, stamps, and today I'll show you 4 of them. I'm going to show you the large die of the month, the small die of the month, the clear stamp and die of the month, and the embossing folder that comes with this collection. It's beautiful, it's spring, and it's great for Easter. So this first die set is the large die of the month. It's called Spring Specs. It has 19 different dies, and it makes this beautiful Easter bunny here that has the glasses. You have some options here. You have Happy Easter, but you also have Happy Spring. That's what you do with this. You just put it in here. Let me show you. That's these are the glasses. So you just use it like this, and you choose the word that you want. So you have 3 options. It's a beautiful die set full of florals and flowers. So for your spring project will be great. So just so you know, you can join on this. If you don't have the club membership yet, you can join from the 6th of the month to the 27th. That's how it works. And you get a lot of perks as well. You get some special prices, you get savings, exclusive deals, early access to new products. It's really worth it, and of course the price is much better for the die set. So just so you know too, I'm going to have a tutorial for this beautiful basket here. This basket uses the front, which is the large die of the month, this beautiful bunny here, and I give you 2 options here. I have 2 baskets here just to show you how pretty they are. This is going to be a tutorial on, let me see, Wednesday. So next Wednesday I'll have a tutorial on how to use this die set. It doesn't make, this is not the die set, okay? The die set is the bunny, and of course some florals here that you can use on the bunny, and I'll show you another way to use the florals as well. So my tutorial for you will be the basket on Wednesday, so come back. We have, this is the face of the bunny, and this is the body. I didn't use the body on either one of them, but that's what you would use for the body. Let me show you what it would look like. It would be something like this after you embellish. But you can also, this is an idea that I had. I saw this and I saw, if you flip it, it can be a beautiful flower vase, and that's what I did with it. So I turned it into a vase, and I filled it up with beautiful, beautiful florals from the same die set, okay? So that's the large die of the month. I like to stretch my die, so I try to use it in different ways. So that's what I'm showing you today. This is the first one. Now let me show you the small die of the month. It's also beautiful. This is the small die of the month. It's called Spring Haul, and it has 33 dies. It has tons of little eggs here. I'll show you what they look like on the cards that I made. Tons of eggs. You have the wheelbarrow here to put together, and as you know, this one of the things I love from Spellbinders is that they give you pictures on how to put it, how to assemble it, so it makes it easy. Again, tons of florals and greenery to use, and this is what it looks like. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful this wheelbarrow is. So perfect for your spring cards, for markets, if you sell cards there. It's not easy to find nice spring cards. I find that Easter and spring are not easy. So this would be beautiful. I use here too another Spellbinders. This is a frame from Spellbinders. I'll have the link below in case you're interested. And I also used for, I'll show you the embossing folder. And I use the embossing folder to give it, see, I don't know if you can see because white is not easy, but you can see that there is some texture on the paper here. So that's the die of the month, sorry, not the die of the month, but the 3D embossing folder of the month, which I'll show you too. So that's one card that I made with Hello Spring. This is from the stamp and die of the month, which I'll show you next. This is another option. And look at this little guy here. Don't you love it? It has wings. So that's a little one of the little eggs that comes in these dies. So this is another card that I made with early Easter blessings here. And what I usually do, guys, is I cut all my sentiments in white, and then if I want, I just use my marker, and I use my my marker to change the color. Makes it easy to just make it fit your card. So these are 2 cards that I made with it. Beautiful die set. That's the small die set of the month, spring haul. So that's the next one that I want to show you is the it's going to be the stamp and die of the month. So here it is. You can see the sentiments. It has plenty of sentiments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sentiments for Easter and spring. And it has this beautiful rabbit clear stamp. So you get the clear stamp, flowers. You have a little butterfly here. But then you get all the cutting dies for the sentiments and also the bunny. So see, that's what it does. You're going to stamp it, and then you use this die set, and everything can be cut. That's why it's called the Clear Stamp and Die Club of the Kit of the Month, okay? So there you are. We have a few here, and let me show you one card that I made with it. See, I used it right here. I colored it, I stamped, I cut it, and I used that same frame that I showed you before. And again, you can see that it has some texture. That's what I use the 3D embossing folder of the month for. So a beautiful card, very easy. You just stamp this, color, and then you cut one of the sentiments, and you have a beautiful card. These 2 also that I showed you before, they use, I use these sentiments from the stamp and die kit of the month, okay? So that's the clear stamp and die kit of the month. And I'm going to show you the last one now is the 3D embossing folder. And here it is, the embossing folder from the membership kits. And let me show you what it looks like. There you go. So look how beautiful that is. It really adds a lot to your cards. I used it on both here. It's hard to see on the white, but I wanted to do it on green so it makes it easier for you to see. So that's in everything. What I love about the kits is they coordinate. So you can use, and this embossing folder, guys, you can use all year long because it really goes with a lot of things. Great for spring and Easter. So this is the just 4 clubs of these club memberships from Spellbinders. Again, your window, if you're not a club member, you can join from the 6th to the 27th of the month, okay? And next Wednesday, I will come back to show you how to make these very, very cute baskets. Even if you don't have this die set, if you're not a member, I will show you how to adapt this and how to make a box or a basket with this, with any shape of dies that you have. You can make it square, rectangle, or something like this, which is usually when I use this technique, and you will learn that, okay? So I'll be back on Wednesday with that. Thank you so much, and if you do decide to join, use my affiliate link. It's in the description below. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.